Jai Sri Krishna. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 5, Sri Narada instruction on Srimad Bhagavatam for Vyasadeva Goswami. Here in the verse 39, Sri Narada Muni said to Vyasadeva Goswami that, O Brahmanas, thus by the Supreme Lord Krishna, I was endowed first with the transcendental knowledge of the Lord as inculcated in the confidential part of the Vedas, then with the spiritual affluence, and then with his intimate loving service. So here it is mentioned, imam स्वनिगमं ब्रह्मण अभ्यद्यमत अनुसितम् अदानमे ज्ञानम् अशिभयम् सर्भिं भवम Kesava. It means here the purport is communion with the Lord by transmission of the transcendental sound in non-different from the whole spirit Lord Sri Krishna. It is a completely perfect method for approaching the Lord. By such pure contact with the Lord without offense of material conception. Numbering 10. The devotee can rise above the material plane to understand the inner meaning of the Vedic literatures, including the Lord's existence in the transcendental regime. The Lord reveals his identity gradually to one who has unflinching faith both in the spiritual master and in the Lord. After this, the devotee is endowed with the mystic of lens, which are 8 in number, and above all, the devotee is accepted in the confidential encourage of the Lord and is entrusted with specific service of the Lord through the agency of the spiritual master. A pure devotee is more interested in serving the Lord than in showing an exhibition of the mystic power dominant in him. Sri Narada has explained all this from his personal experience, and one can obtain all the facilities with which Sri Narada obtained by perfecting the chanting process of sound representation of the Lord. There is no bar of chanting the transcendental sound by anyone, provided it is received through Narada representative, coming down by the chain of a disciplic succession or the Parampara system, Guru Parampara system. So here it is clearly mentioned that if a pure devotee is more interested to serving the loving services unto the lotus feet of the Lord Sri Krishna, rather than the showing exhibition of a mystic power which is dominant in him, then he will get the real happiness. He